My name is Megumi. Nice to meet you and good to see you. Today I would like to show this book. I Can Do It. This book is written in English and Japanese. So actually I bought two books. I didn't pick this book first, but when I was looking for something that I can be happy, I just found it randomly online. And it was a bestseller, so I thought like, oh, why not? And then I click it on, and I bought from Amazon. And this is written by Louise Hay. She had a very difficult life, like when she was little, like abused or like a violence and family problem. But in her late 40s or 50s, her life got changed. Because she used her own affirmations, which is in this book, affirmations can be anything, like something you think or you feel or you speak. So every single word that you speak or talk in the conversation can be affirmations. So in this book, she can tell you how to use and how to control your affirmations happily. And then I learned, and I'm still learning from this book. So like I feel like I'm still like digesting like the contents from this book because they have a lot. And in every sentence, every word, I can feel something that I've never learned or feel something that I can be very excited. And in this book, they have 8 episodes or contents. And she talks about like health, and relationships, self-esteem, and work, like a lot of things that everybody can think about every single day. And Louise Hay, she wrote like a Japanese, and she wrote her English version, but I also got the Japanese version. And this book even came with a CD. So you can listen to this CD every day. So actually I tried to listen first without book. And I had almost a week to listen. Like every 10 minutes. Every morning, 10 minutes I woke up, I just listen to her, what she says. And so I'm trying to change my affirmations every day. For example, like every moment when you think something, that creates your future. So like maybe 5 minutes later or like tomorrow, even next year. So when you change your affirmations and control your affirmations properly, then your future will be very happy, joyful, and you can also love yourself more. And she said you can start with loving yourself more because you're the only one who can control your mind, control your feeling. So nobody can beat you, nobody can control your feelings. So like this book is very encouraging, and then everybody can be happy. So I really like to share this book. Yes, thank you. And I still have time. So I don't know how, let's see. For example, I was sick. I got sick like a week ago, and then I was staying home for a week. I was pretty negative. But when I was listening to this CD and reading this book in Japanese and English, I thought maybe this is the time for me to start using my affirmations. How can I say, like, beautifully. And I'm really hoping that this book can help a lot of people in the world, because it's bestseller. That means I think a lot of people can share, a lot of people believe what she says in this book. So I'm very happy to share this book. Thank you. I think I'm done.
Can you give us an example of an affirmation?
Yes.
Okay.
For example, okay, complaining something about your life never helps you to change your life in a good way, because usually the people's negative things win to positive things.